Hello children, so today what we are going to do is we are going to make something which is really fun and everyone loves doing it. We are going to make a slime using ingredients which are easily available to us. So let's get all the ingredients ready and let's get started. To make a slime we need a few things. Important is we need a mixing bowl, need few spoons. Very important ingredients to make a slime is glue. I'm using a clear glue, 3 bottles. We need some baking soda, need few additives, so it can be of any form. I'm using small little stars, all colorful different color stars, and I have golden color glitter. So additives can be any. You can use a foam beads or any sparkles. Just work with the things which you have. We need a color. I want my slime to be greenish in color, so this is the reason I'm using green liquid color. And the very important, to get a proper slimy consistency we need this ingredient, which is a contact lens solution. So we have everything ready, so let's get started. So in a mixing bowl, the important is to empty all the bottles, and you can notice one thing, I'm using clear glue. I'm not using any color glue or a white glue. If you're using any color glue, you can use it directly. So it's your choice. You want your slime to be in any color, you can add any color. If you want it to be clear, you can just use it directly. Or if you have a colored one, you can use a colored one. But I have a clear glue, so I'm using a clear glue. So now I have emptied all 3 bottles, and each bottle was approximately 50 ml. So in this bowl I have 150 ml of clear glue. So this is the first step, is to add glue in bowl. Now it's time to add some colors. I'm using a liquid color, so make sure that you're not adding color too much. Yes, so I have added just a drop. Yes, just adding little more, just a drop, so to get a proper color. So I want my slime to be greenish in color. So yes, done. So my color glue is ready. Very simple. Emptied all the glue and I have added color. Make sure you're using a color which is in a liquid state. So make sure it's not too liquidy. I'm using a color which is very concentrated, so I don't have to use too much of color. So it depends what is the concentration of a color, but make sure you're not adding too much of a liquid. Now it's time to add a pinch of a baking soda. Just add a pinch of a baking soda and mix. Now the next step is to add a contact lens solution. So I'm using a small spoon, and in small spoon, first I'm adding 1 spoon of a contact lens solution. So first it was liquidy. Now let's see what consistency you'll get. So immediately when I add contact lens solution, you can notice that the consistency will change a bit. Now it's time to add some additives. So I have few glitters and some colored additives. So just work with the things which you have. You can add anything, it's totally your choice. So I have added just 1 spoon of a contact lens solution, and you can see the consistency immediately it will change, because the contact lens solution is very important ingredients. Because of that solution, because of this, you will get a slime consistency. So now I got this consistency. Now important is, now I have to add just a half spoon, because I have to be little careful while adding contact lens solution. Make sure you're not adding too much of solution, otherwise it will become solid. So if you want a you want a slimy consistency, make sure you're adding contact lens solution spoon by spoon. Yes. And then you can notice one thing, that consistency is changing. Just mix. I can add a more of soda. Yeah. So I've added approximately 2 spoons. Now this is a 1/3 spoon of a contact lens solution. When the slime will stop sticking to the bowl, that is the right time to use your hand. Okay, so now just mixing it. Make sure you're mixing well, very important. Adding more of a contact lens solution. Yes, so I've added approximately 3 to 4 spoons of lens solution. So lens solution, the quantity, it depends on what kind of a glue you're using. Okay, you might have to reduce or increase the quantity of a solution, depends what type of a glue you're using. So when your slimes stop sticking to the bowl, so this is the right time to remove the spoon and to knead it. So let's use clean hands. Let's take it in your hand and you can see it's not sticking to bowl. So when you get a clean bowl, which means your slime is ready. So let's see. So this is how you can play with it. Just be gentle. You can see that it's just spreading all the direction. So I have used a clear glue. So depends what kind of a glue you're using. Depending on that, you will get a different kind of a slime. So I have used a clear glue and added color. And this is how I got a beautiful greenish color slime. So just store it in an airtight container and you can play it with it whenever you want. Add the additives whichever you want and just play with it.